This project is completing construction of a new airport for Doha, Qatar. We had a specific design we want to implement due to the duration of the project. It's a very challenging project. We are working here at 3 tunnels to service the hangars and all the equipment from one side of the airport to the other side. Here at Doha Airport, the safety and the quality standard is very high. We are following very strict rules. We went with RMD because we're sure we can get this kind of safety and quality. Now we are at the tunnel. We are at the section called the U section, which is foundation and just retaining walls. This is one of the walls we cast yesterday, and it's being completed with the RMD shutter system. Okay, now we're going to show you a work in progress where the wall is actually being shifted from this side here to the next pour. And you can see it's all on rails, and with the shutter just moved away from the wall and being shifted. Part of following the railing system is to, first of all, to eliminate the usage of the cranes, because you only use it to install it once and then you use the rolling to roll it. Plus the cycle time for each pour, it's decreased by almost a week. Now we're going to show you some of the parts we're using. This is the wheels we're using to shift the shutter from the wall. And if you look at this part here, this is to shift the whole shutter back away from the concrete after pouring. This shutter we moved back and shifted to the correct position, and you can see there's enough room to clean all the shutter, to do all of this tie rods, and then once this is all done, the whole system will just move very easily into position. What you have seen before, just the retaining walls. Now we are into the tunnel, the cover section. All right, this is one of the design we have done with the RMD. It's called the Kwikform, where by just lifting this one and hitting it, the whole line just goes down enough tolerance so we will be able to be shifted. Once this is done, then we'll move to the traveler system, where you lift this one and you install this wheels, and this is enough just to transfer the whole table from one section to another section. Once you move the tables, there will be the mega shore system here, where this has to stay the long 21 days before we remove this mega shore because of the concrete strength. But these can be removed after 3 days. So this way, that's why this system works so well, because you can do the preparation work, and by the time you finish preparing all the tables, this mega shore you'll be able to transfer using the RMD system scaffolding. One of the challenges we faced here is the curved wall that you can see behind me, and then that's we came in another solution with RMD. We want to keep the same system here when we can move it back and forth. So what we have done is we added this 2x6 on top of the RMD shutter, and this is what's giving the curve of the actual whole formwork system. So you keep the same shape, and all what you have to do again, just shift it back, transport it, and then put it back again. I hope you've seen everything and been useful to you. At the end, I cannot end up by not thanking RMD for their brilliant shuttering system that's helped us a lot in this project.